Hello. To begin, I would like to just say this. I may laugh as I speak. This is not because this is a funny moment, but because this is a habit of mine. Thank you, and I understand, and I appreciate your understanding. I would like to begin by saying thank you to all the firefighters and to the people who are not firefighters, but have still put their lives on the line, protecting their homes and our community. I personally was not directly affected, fortunately, but I still feel for all the people who were, for all the people who lost their homes, all my family and friends. I am sorry. When I woke up Wednesday morning and turned on the news, I was taken aback by it because just a few days prior, everything was okay. And I guess that's how it gets you. Things can change so fast that sometimes we can't really react. In my cousin Cheyenne's house, it didn't get burnt down, but she was still affected. The air was so bad that she had to be evacuated. There was embers, she couldn't breathe. It was terrible. I'm glad that she got out safely before anything tragic could happen. I've lived in Pasadena all my life, but I was still surprised to see everyone helping out in any way possible, regardless of any differences we have. I feel like that's what makes us strong as a community, coming together during tough times. I was sworn into the Student Assembly a few months ago, but regardless of my newfound status, I have been welcomed in by all of my lovely peers, and it's been very great to meet up with everybody and have the daily check-ins. We all feel very comfortable with each other, and everyone seems so sincere. I hope that when we are able to go back, all the teachers and staff are open, if a student needs help or just someone to comfort them while they express how they feel. I think that would be great and truly amazing if we could all do that. I believe to truly come back as a community, we should take our time. We should not rush into it as if nothing happened. What happened and is still happening is a tragedy, and we should be aware of that and be able to adjust to it. Although this moment of grief may be painful, it does not define our time ahead. We will write our own stories and our own future. Thank you.